Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
The Eagles Hotel California Tour. Dan Daly checks in with the sound crew on this tour that was interrupted in 2020 when COVID closures struck, and finally comes back with a long string of sold-out dates that wrapped up last month at Seattle's new Climate Pledge Arena. In our installation spotlight, we visit recent arena and stadium projects, which have moved from horns on poles to sophisticated systems offering musicality and punch that's ideal for heightening the fan experience. It's that time of year, and our holiday gift guide offers essentials that any live sound reinforcement professional could use. Keep this list handy for all your holiday shopping needs. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on powered double 18 subwoofers. In an industry with a lot of variation, subwoofers with twin 18-inch drivers are pretty much the standard. We present selections offering both power and maximum low-frequency impact. When snow and icy weather arrives, your gear could be at risk. This month, Steve Lacera provides useful tips to help your equipment survive the seasonal climate extremes. With the new year almost upon us, now is the time to begin preparing for 2022, and for many houses of worship, budgeting is an important part of that process. John McJunkin provides his strategies for getting your worship team through the entire course of the year. Check it out.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.